guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial. I have not done like one of these videos where I actually talk to y'all in a while. So hey everybody, new and old, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. I did team up with Ririhair, of course. This is their packaging, to bring you this like really cute curly bob wig. So it was on sale. Actually, it is on sale currently. I'll make sure that if I do have any discount codes, I'll be sure to leave that in the description box below. Why can't I talk? I have no clue. But anywho, I just wanted to really show you how I laid down the wig. Very quick, simple, effortless. The hair was already like detangled and lightly washed, rinsed slash deep conditioned. But truly all that I did is just go through with some water and literally just kind of rake through the curls. I did not drench the wig or anything. I literally like dabbed it in water and went through with my paddle brush just to kind of really pull out the curls, and this is what it looks like. This is probably by far one of the best curly wigs I've ever had. When I say that, I'm talking about in terms of the curl pattern itself, and then just how, like, I don't know, the hair is really soft and bouncy, like really soft. So I even want to do like a twist out on this hair just because the cut is freaking perfect. So this will be one of those units that I will hold on for myself, and I won't be reselling or anything, but really cute. It did come with the bleached knots, as you guys can see. On the inside of the wig, of course, I did quickly show you that, excuse me, but it actually has a little area where they have an elastic band on it. I actually took it off because of the placement. I didn't really care for it too much, so nevertheless I ended up just using the comb, of course, in the back to apply the wig, and then the Gotta Be Glue spray just to make sure that the hairline area is pretty tight, although it does have like the adjustable strap in the back, so where it would have been pretty tight either way. But just for that extra security, I wanted to show you how to, kind of how to melt the lace if that's something you want to do. But nothing too crazy. I did not pluck this unit at all. I made 0 changes to it. This is the way that it came straight out of the packaging. Literally, I did not cut, trim, color, bleach, nothing. I literally have not done anything to this unit. I think I literally just have like maybe a little bit of conditioner left over, and then of course like water. That's it. So as you guys can see, it's really bouncy, full. The hair looks good, y'all. The cut is perfect. That's why I keep like turning to this side, because it just looks so cute. And then this like bang, y'all, this is cute, and the hair is stretched perfectly. Like, look at this. But nevertheless, I will be sure to leave all of the details down in the description box below. Definitely make sure to thumbs up this video, comment any questions, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, Ririhair, for sending me this. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babes.